Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft OneNote for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 4, recover deleted pages. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work or the business. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Applications. Go to All Applications. Scroll to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now let's go to OneNote. Wait for that to load. Click on a recent OneNote Computer Science Videos notes. Let's just wait for that to load. And so once that has loaded, let's go to View Deleted notes, deleted pages, and now we can recover these by right clicking and clicking on restore. Select section to restore pages to. OK. Untitled page has now been restored. Let's restore third page. Restore it to social media. Second page, restore. So now let's go back, click on the X, and now let's close out of OneNote. Let's go back into OneNote, Computer Science Videos Notes, and we can see on the left-hand side navigation menu where we have social media, videos, third page, second page have all been restored after they were deleted. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.